So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on this PC. And then you're going to find a drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You're going to double click on it and then click on Windows. Now we're going to scroll down till we see servicing. We're going to scroll down until we find servicing. You're going to double click on this. And now you're going to find Trusted Installer. You're going to right click on it and then click on Properties. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the Security tab and then click on Advanced and then click on Change. And now once we're here, you're going to type in your computer username. If you do not know it, then you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now you're going to click on this PC and then click on your Windows drive and then click on Users, and it's going to be showing you right here. So my username is called Speedy Tutorials. So now you're going to type in your username and then click on Check Names and then click on OK. And then once you're here, you're going to click on OK and then click on OK again. And now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.